Hello, I'm Rona Koirala and I'm here to give you a brief description on our hike to Australian Base Camp. A gloomy day but with bright smiles, we started our trip to Australian Base Camp at about 7 a.m. in the morning. Our road trip to Pokhara, which was our first destination, began from Kolanki, and with lots of singing and dancing, we stopped at Novi to have breakfast. They recognized us as deer workers as they have had many deer workers to have breakfast in the past and provided us with good high tea. After having our lunch at Domauli, we headed straight to World Peace Pagoda in Pokhara. The weather also supported us as it was neither too hot nor too cold. As we were already running late, we hurried to Kade from where our hike started. At about 5:30 p.m. we started ascending through the steep hill steps. The trail was amazing, but due to the clouds, we were not able to see the beautiful Himalayan range. Next morning, with a quick breakfast and planning, we started going down the hill. The leeches attacked us with possibly everything they could, but we didn't back down. We fought back with all our strength. I had taken some salt from hotel, so I was in the medical emergency leech rescue operation. Finally, the trail down through the forest ended so as the terror of leeches. That was the point from where we could see the beautiful village of Tampus. After taking lots of selfies and pictures, we returned back to Pokhara and had our lunch at about 3 p.m. Was it fun?
Yeah, it was.
How was the hike, Sanchiladi? Didi, how was the hike? Muzadi?
What is big?
Nice. All done from nice. How's the hike? With lots of memories, we returned back to Kathmandu. All in all, the hike was amazing, and the memories we made with our colleagues and friends was something we could cherish all our lives. Thanks to the coordinators and the participants who made it happen.